we have to get on the speedboat? What is that? Fan-shaped light? Oh, that's a huge ship over there. My hair looks so short now. Our bus waiting. The port looks so beautiful though. That's a huge ship. This is going to Nenden. The other one is going there to Hanoi and Halong Bay. So I'll be going in this. When you will visit Vietnam, you will find many dragons in their architecture. And Vietnam is also referred as land of ascending dragon. So according to one legend, dragon rose from sea and flew up into the sky, creating storms that formed mountains and rivers of Vietnam, which symbolizes the power of nature. And it's pretty cool, including the architecture of Vietnam. Yeah, I find it very interesting. Dragons, in fact, in themselves look very, very interesting. And before I spoil my bed, let me show you my tiny and cute room. So yeah, the basic facilities, and here we have a view of cliffs, and this is the bed. And I don't know what's the purpose of this one, but yeah, this is the bathroom. I'll be heading out now after freshening up. I just closed the door by the way. Yeah, that's cute, okay, for a solo traveling. यहाँ पे इतने हैंड शावर क्यों होते हैं? ये कौन यूज करता है यार? We have some shampoo and bath cream, body wash I think. अब तो बाल कट पाए लिए हैं तो खुद ही सूख जाएंगे. Nice. Do not mind my hair, skin tone. Like बाल अब बस इतने ही हैं, यहाँ तक होती थी मेरी पॉनी. बट एनीवेज ठीक है, इट्स लाइक डेड एंड सारे गए. आई लव द चॉपी लुक, आई लव चॉपी लुक. इन्होंने वैसे काटे जैसे मुझे चाहिए थे, लाइक ज़्यादा चेंज नहीं. I got this new bag from Wildcraft. I bought this from store because online पता नहीं चलता है, and it's like super cool. Let me show you. ये बहुत सही है. इसको मुझे ओपन करने दो. रुको, कहाँ रखूँ मैं कैमरा? तो ये ऐसे खुल जाता है हाफ पूरा. जजा भाई बैग है मेरा, मैं अच्छे से रखती हूँ. या डू नॉट माइंड माई इनर क्लोथ्स बट सो या ये भी मत देखो, ये मेरी बच्चों के लिए लिया है, मतलब फैमिली में जो बच्चे हैं उनके लिए। एंड चेन नहीं खोलनी चाहिए थी पहले। चेन्स हैं बहुत सारी, थ्री चेन्स, और ना इसके साइड में ना अंदर ही ये बैग है। सो आई हैव केप्ट मेडिकेशंस लाइक एंटीपायरेटिक, एंटीस्पाज्मोटिक, और साइड में एक बॉटल के लिए है। दीज आर माई पैंटी लाइनर्स, अवॉइड इट, आई गॉट माई मेंस्ट्रुएशन, टुडे इज़ बैक, टुडे इज़ द सेकेंड डे। और पीछे एक और है, तो मुझे अभी ख़राब नहीं करना है बिकॉज आई डू नॉट लाइक मेसी थिंग्स। बट इट लुक्स सो ऑर्गेनाइज्ड। यहाँ पे 2 बेल्ट्स हैं। कहाँ है इसमें 2 बेल्ट्स हैं यार। लाइक दीज आर टक्ड इन, ये रही, इफ यू कैन सी, दीज आर टक्ड इन। ऐसी 2 बेल्ट्स हैं इसमें। ओके चलो बाय। So I booked a Grab taxi from Bangkok boating area because my hotel is near to that, and I have reached to Trangan. I have got the tickets, so I'll be heading towards that. There are all over lanterns. It looks so beautiful. Let's go inside. Before taking the route, just wait for a minute and do not just rush away into the boat, and ask the person guiding about the route number, because people were just jumping into the boat without knowing the route numbers. And I asked this person and she told me, yeah, she's a woman, and women, you will see women in majority over here leading every workspace. So I asked her and she told me to wait, and then I jumped into my boat. This is Trangan, and it has various caves, pagodas, temples, small villages, and it is situated on Red River Delta. And human activities has been shown to be for more than 30,000 years. Also, Hualu, which is an ancient capital of Vietnam, which you can visit, was established around 10th, 11th centuries AD, and it's a very nice place. Also, it is also called like the land version of Halong Bay, which is like true, which is true. There are 3 to 4 stops of pagodas and temples where the local people were praying to their lords and gods, and there will be restrooms, so don't you worry. And I was amazed by the architecture. Like, they are in good condition, and especially the pointy ends. So this is the place where they have put their offerings Recording was not allowed inside, but inside it was very like aesthetic wise it was really very nice, and you can feed the fishes over here too. On the route 3 there are many cave system, and one of the cave is 1 kilometer long, and I have never visited such place. It felt so relieved, especially as soon as you will enter the caves the temperature will drop, and during daytime it can become a little bit humid. So it was cold and humid, and the water will be dripping right on your head, so you have to keep your head very low unless you want to leave it here. And the water was really very cold and nice. I touched it, I felt like I was in the ancient times. In the ancient times people might have like used to communicate through this area with the help of fire, and now we can enjoy the beauty. And there are certain places where you can stand, so like by the viewpoint of attacking your enemies, which were Chinese, because China attacked Vietnam. This is a very nice place. The route 3 will consist of 3 temples or spiritual points and 3 caves, including the place where the movie Kong Skull Island was shot. Use umbrella, which I do every day, and we also saw where the King Kong movie was shot, so that was really nice. I think it rained over here a few days back. Thinking about this structure, like if you have watched K-dramas shot during period like the back during Joseon Dynasty, it reminds me of that. Hana. Oh god. This looks super cool, yaar. Super cool structure. Super cool. How cool is that? यहाँ पे इतने छोटे छोटे फाइकस हैं. They love bonsai. One thing, whenever you are coming to any place of Vietnam, carry a bag. So this is my bag. Carry an umbrella. बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. कभी भी बारिश होती है, कभी भी धूप निकलती है. Carry sunglasses because UV, चाहे बारिश हो, बादल हो, कैसे भी मौसम है, UV हमेशा रहता है. And then carry SPF to reapply. You will really need in this country. क्योंकि यहाँ पे ह्यूमिडिटी जब इतनी बढ़ जाएगी, जब धूप होगी, तो SPF ऐसे पसीने की तरह तर 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 बहेगा. I just can't get over the architecture. यार क्या है यार, इतना सही है यार, ये कितना प्यारा लगता है ये. Like look, यहाँ पे भी है कुछ. पता नहीं किसके पेड़ है ये. फाइकस के हैं शायद. मेरे घर में ये पौधों के छोटे पौधों की तरह उग रहा है. ये फाइकस है आई थिंक. आई एम नॉट श्योर, बट लुक एट द एरियल रूट्स. इट्स अ नाइस ब्रिज. और लोटस भी यहाँ पे ऐसी जंगली पौधों की तरह उगते हैं. can we appreciate the greenery over here, and so many varieties of trees and plants are here. And one of the reasons I visited Vietnam was because of its nature and how people respect greenery and planting trees. So if you will come across, around majority of the houses they have planted trees, even if it's just a small space, and that makes me very happy that people respect nature, and which is very important and needed for climate change. And there were so many species of plants. I'm pretty sure पुराने ज़माने में और ज़्यादा plants हुआ करे होंगे यहाँ पे. By the way, so this area was a military base for Tran dynasty, जिन्होंने fought किया था Mongol invasion को. Also, this place was used by Tran kings to practice Buddhism और उनकी teachings. So this place has 7 worship sites. I also saw jackfruits growing up close. I have never seen jackfruits growing. It's very interesting. And also elephant ear alocasia, like this plant. This is the banana plant, but yeah, this plant grows like wild over here, especially in the islands and villages near Katba Island, where I have visited before this place. Being in nature gives me so much peace, away from horns and the city life. It just healed me in many ways. Third route is my favorite because I have checked some reviews और उन्होंने जिन्होंने फर्स्ट सेकेंड रूट लिया उन्होंने रिकमेंड किया था थर्ड वाला रूट लो. This is the village from the movie Kong Skull Island, which was shot in 2017. Earlier you can take the tour of this village, but now it's closed to preserve nature, which I highly appreciate, because at no cost we should destroy nature. Instead we should respect, like how Vietnamese do. So among all the 3 routes, third route is the longest one, and it will open around 6:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. and the ticket price will be 250,000 VND for adults. And I will highly recommend this boat tour of Trang An.